Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm sharing my honest review of AI SEO, one of the newer AI content writing tools making some noise lately in the market. Before we dive in, if you want to check out AI SEO or grab some exclusive deals, click the link in the description. I will also remind you again at the end. So is AI SEO actually worth using or just another copycat in the crowded AI writer space? So let's find out. So what exactly is AI SEO? So AI SEO is an AI powered content writing platform designed to help you create all of these blog posts, social media content, ad copy and more. It also comes with tools like Readability Improver, Content Paraphraser and long-form writing assistant, which makes it sound like an all-in-one solution for content creators, bloggers and marketers. But as with most AI tools, the big question is, how good are the results? So I would like to talk about some of the features. So the first thing is the long-form writing assistant. It works similar to tools like Jasper or WriteSonic. You can start from scratch or follow a blog workflow, add your topic and let the AI help generate intros, outlines and full section of content. And also there is a readability improver. This one's built around the Hemingway readability model. It highlights complex or passive sentences and help you rewrite them in a clearer and simpler way. It's handy if your writing tends to get wordy. And there is also a paraphrasing tool. It lets you rewrite all of these paragraphs or competitors' content into your own unique voice. You can choose different tones like formal, creative, or casual. There are tons from AIDA framework, product description, FAQs, SEO, meta description, and even social media caption. And also there is Chrome extension. You can use AI SEO directly inside Google Docs and make it much easier to write or paraphrase content writing switching tabs. So on paper it sounds very powerful and in many ways it is. So here's something I really like about AI SEO is the feature variety. There's a lot of packed in one dashboard, from long form writing to readability and paraphrasing. And it's also beginner friendly. The interface is clean and simple. Even if you have never used an AI writer before, you'll able to pick it up first. And also the built-in readability improvement tool is genuinely useful, especially for bloggers who want SEO friendly, easy to read articles. Being able to use it directly in Google Docs using the Chrome extension is also a nice touch. But now let's talk about some of the things that didn't really impress me. The first thing is that it is slow AI response. In multiple tests, the AI took noticeably long to generate content. It's not a deal breaker, but it does slow down your workflow. Some of the generated content feel generic or slightly outdated, for example, references to old Google AdWords instead of Google Ads. So you will definitely need to edit and fact check before publishing. And there is some inconsistent templates. So some templates like Facebook ads or AIDA produce great result. Others generate incomplete or awkward text that doesn't really make sense. And the truth to be told, there are better alternatives that exist compared to tools like Jasper or copy.ai or maybe WriterSonic. AI SEO's quality isn't quite on the same level, especially when it comes to natural flow and creativity. But hey, this is something they could improve in the future. So the pricing wise, it's actually very cheap. You get 3 basic tier, the group plan, the scale plan and the team plan when you are in the monthly. It's $1 when you get started and there is also a 1-day free trial. And after that, it's going to be $24 per month. And here, after that, it's going to be $44 and here it's going to be $99. Here you get up to 500 credits, here unlimited credits and here also unlimited credits. And humanize AI, you get all the modes, you get unlimited humanize AI content and all of that. So the features are pretty much straightforward. So based on the features, based on what you really need, you can go ahead with the pricing. So here's my honest take. AI SEO is not the most advanced AI writer out there, but it's not bad. It's like the reliable backup tool you keep around for quick rewrites, readability checks, or when your main AI writer doesn't quite nail it. If you're just getting started with AI writing and don't want to spend big on Jasper or copy.ai, AI SEO is a solid budget-friendly alternative. But if you're already using top-tier tools and looking for advanced creativity or storytelling quality, you might not find AI SEO adding much extra value. So my recommendation is try it out if you're new, skip it if you're already invested in better AI writers, and also, if you want to check it out, you can click the link in the description and explore AI SEO for yourself. Thanks for watching, and if you have tried AI SEO, drop your thoughts in the comment. I would love to hear your experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out for more honest AI tool reviews like this.